Movavi Photo Editor is a powerful yet easy-to-use photo editing software that caters to both amateur photographers and professionals. It offers a range of tools for enhancing and retouching photos, including features for adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation, as well as options for cropping, resizing, and straightening images. One of the standout features of Movavi Photo Editor is its AI-powered tools, such as the one-click enhancement and background removal, which simplify complex editing tasks and save time. The software also includes advanced retouching tools that allow users to remove blemishes, whiten teeth, and even change hair color, making it easy to perfect portraits. Movavi Photo Editor supports layers, enabling users to work on different elements of their photos independently, which is particularly useful for more detailed and creative projects. The software also includes a variety of filters and effects that can be applied to photos to achieve different artistic looks. Additionally, Movavi Photo Editor supports a wide range of file formats, making it compatible with most image files. The intuitive interface and helpful tutorials make it accessible for beginners, while the advanced features provide enough depth for more experienced users. Overall, Movavi Photo Editor is a versatile and powerful tool that provides everything needed to edit and enhance photos.